Atma Namaskaram. Siddhavedam, the Moksha Sutram in English. Please find the meanings of the words other than English in the description below. Siddhavedam, Chapter 8, Part 1.
Oh, Master, you said that the world originates from us and it is something like smoke and it is dream. But it is stated that the world is karma bandha, and since the world is thus tied down by the karma, moksha will be attained only by doing karma. And all are karma, and if there is no karma, there will be nothing. I do not know what is the significance of these.
If you are convinced that the world is something like smoke which originated from you and it is a dream, which is karma, and what is karma bandha to you? Not only this, what is karma?
Karma means activity or action.
Karma can never be said to be action or activity because it is impossible for us to do anything without the three states. They are karta, karma, and kriya. If there are no three states as such, there will be no world at all. Without these, will there be the word an action?
No.
Now, tell me, what have you understood by these three expressions?
Karta means one who does. Karma means action. Kriya means that which is done.
Does. What is the significance of this?
It means functioning and being in certain activity.
So, does is what?
Activity.
You said Kriya is also activity. Thus, according to you, of the three factors, Karta, Karma, and Kriya, Karta is the doer. Karma and Kriya signify activity. This cannot be correct. Let us take this example. Kannan killed a hare. In this sentence, is there karta, karma, and kriya? If so, what is the karta, karma, and kriya in this?
Kannan is karta, hare is karma, and killed is kriya.
So, you see that the karma hare is not activity as is commonly understood. In the example above given, it cannot be any other way also.
Yes, that is so.
Thus, does the word karma mean activity or action?
No.
Then, what does it mean?
It means a thing.
The world, without understanding the real significance of the word karma, has misunderstood it to mean as action. It is not action. Without the existence of a thing, there is no action. Not only that, in whatever manner we look, karma only means a thing. It can never mean action. We make use of sentences where all the three, karta, karma, and kriya are expressed. Sometimes the karta and kriya will only be expressed and the karma will be silent or understood. Sometimes karma and kriya will only be expressed and karta will be understood. If you deeply consider all these, karma would always be found to mean only a thing. Take for example the sentence Krishna ate. Here, what are the concepts that are expressed?
Karta and kriya.
Which is karta and which is kriya?
Krishna is karta and ate is kriya.
What was the reason for you to call ate kriya?
Because it is action.
You said according to popular notion that karma is action. Now you say karma is a thing. But in the sentence Krishna ate, is the karma expressed?
No, it is not expressed, it is silent.
Now we shall make it explicit by putting the question Krishna ate what? The answer will be Krishna ate fruit. Here, What is the karma?
Here the karma is fruit.
Does the word fruit indicate a thing or action?
A thing.
So, in this instance also, it is clear that karma is a thing. Now take another instance. You gave a mango to keep in your house. After some time, when you asked for that mango, it is replied, ate that mango. In this, what are the concepts expressed?
There is karma and kriya.
What is the karma and what is the kriya?
Mango is karma and ate is kriya.
In this sentence also, it is clear that karma is a thing. Hence, if we look at what kinds of affairs took place in this world, karma will mean a thing and it will have no such meaning as action. Hence, it becomes clear that karma is an entity alone. So, it is understood that if that entity is not present, there is nothing, and all are that entity itself. Therefore, we must find out that entity. Can you say what that entity is?
Yes, that is what are all seen, they are all things. Hence, the seeming substances are all things.
Though what are all seen or things, if you are not present, could you have seen these things?
No,
Why not?
because I was not present.
If you were present, could you have seen these things?
Yes,
While you are sleeping, are these all seen?
no,
Why not? Where you are not present then?
even though I was then present, the Sakti that originated from myself merged within myself. Hence, I did not see.
What is that Sakti? Did a corpse have this Sakti?
That Sakti was my Jiva Sakti. Since the corpse has no Jiva, the Sakti was not present in it.
What was that Sakti?
It was the Vayu.
If that Jiva Sakti does not vibrate out as Vayu, can any such state be seen?
No.
Thank you. Atma Namaskaram. End of chapter 8, part 1. For those who are willing to get initiation of Siddha Vidya, please contact our Chennai Siddha Vidya Nilayam Trust Head Office at Tamil Nadu, India. The address details are Chennai Siddha Vidya Nilayam Trust, 69 Sivaprakasam Road, Sivanandapuram, Vadamadurai, via Periyapalayam. Postcode 601102. Contact phone number +91 9790 600015. Atma Namaskaram.